Welcome back to David HD, everybody. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So wow, it's been a minute since the last time I made a video. Probably, what, 4 or 5 months since the last time, and a lot of stuff has changed since then. And if you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I've actually got rid of, or actually traded in, my Hellcat Charger. So in a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the garage open so you guys can see what I traded it in for. And now I'm just gonna talk about why I sold the Hellcat. So 3 reasons why I got rid of the Hellcat. Number 1, good market value. So right now, I bought the car in 2021, and I was basically able to get almost exactly what I paid for still now in 2023, well, in the 2023. So that was the number 1 reason. The second reason is just overall peace of mind. This car, man, I'm telling you, since the last video I made, I've actually moved to Texas. So now I live in Texas. So no longer Washington State. And being here in Texas, if I go to some of these bigger cities, it's kind of a pain to park the car somewhere, and I just can't travel all over the place with it because I feel like somebody's gonna jack the car, somebody's gonna steal it. So with that being said, I started searching for other vehicles to see if there was something out there that maybe I can get a good deal on, and that's where I was able to get the car that I'm about to show you built. And I just waited a couple months for it to come in, and I just got it about 2 weeks ago. So I got it, and then got the first mods done, so PPF. So got it a week after that, and just had the car now for about a week and a couple of days now. So I'm enjoying the car. And then the third reason is because I kind of got bored with the car. To tell you the truth, I haven't really tracked the car. I haven't been to the track. I haven't done any of those type of things that I wanted to do with the car. Mainly because when I was in Washington State, the timing just wasn't right for me to go out there and do it. So, and a lot of circumstances happened that whenever the weather was good, I was either busy doing this activity, this thing or that thing. Is always something in between, right? So I never really got to enjoy the car for what it's for, and it's because it is my daily and something that I want to drive all the time. It just wasn't the car for me, I guess you can say. When I got the car in 2021, I kind of knew a little bit about the car and performance-wise, but I didn't know how popular the car was. I didn't know, that it was such a sought-after car, as in like people want to steal the damn car. So I don't know. So with that being said, let me open the garage so you guys can take a look at what I have now. And as you can tell by the big, big grill in the front, that's right. I'll probably pull it out later to show you a better picture of it. But I got a 2024 G80 M3 X Drive. So this is the all-wheel drive version of the car. And like I said, I've had the car for now about 2.5 weeks. So this is just a little peek at the car. Got the tints done, PPF. So if you guys can see that, give you a sneak peek of the inside. The big screen. I didn't get carbon buckets, but I got the sport seats. So now I'll kind of do a full review of the car in another video. But I just kind of want to show you guys the car and why I have not been posting. One of the main reasons is because I was transitioning. I moved to Texas from Washington State, so that took a lot of, looking for a house, moving around, doing all this stuff, this and that. getting everything settled, and last thing on my mind was YouTube. So now I'm back to making content. I have a bunch of little mods right here for the car that I got to install. So be installing that pretty soon. I've actually was going to install it over the weekend and kind of was like, let me see if I make a video about it and stuff. So I kind of held off on them. So, and that's one of these comfort features right now. Every time I get close to the car, I could probably turn it off, but every time I'm getting close to the car, it's keeps unlocking. So let me just leave the key there. But this is a sneak peek of the car. And if you guys got any questions on, I might make a video on, how much I sold the Hellcat for, tips and tricks when selling your Hellcat. But I did get a good deal, so just know that. But if you have any questions on that, just let me know in the comments, and back to making videos. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed. Out.